Hey everyone, welcome to gmailfiend. First of all, thank you for watching this video. If you're new here, please don't forget to click the subscribe button down below and also check our channel for more videos like this. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to prioritize or up your important emails. So let's go. The first thing that you'll ever need to do is, of course, mark your important emails. Like for example, this one I have marked my important emails. And then the next thing is click settings. You can also actually do it here in box type where you could click the important first. But in order to customize that, let's go to see all settings and then click inbox. So you can see we have default as our inbox type. Let's change it to important first, and then you can choose how many items of the important emails that you want to see. Like for example, I want to see 10 items for my important emails on my desktop, and for everything else like other emails that are not that important, I want to see 25 or 10 items also, so that it would be a little bit uncompressed. So of course, you can also prioritize the priority inbox, but since we are still looking or working on the important emails, let us save these changes. And then as you can see, it is now separated. The important emails are now in the upper part of my desktop or inbox, and everything else, which is the untagged as important, is now below. You can also click this to hide it so you can see all the important emails only. So we hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please do hit the like and the subscribe button down below. Thank you very much for watching and see you on the next video. Bye!